In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson WF-2650 and 2660 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before we doing the resetting process in here, we need to disable for a while the antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Tamper Protection if you're using Windows 11 for example. In here, I'm already turned for a while. After the resetting is complete, we can turn back on this protection. Then you can download this resetter or adjustment programs. We put link into the pinned comments. After you get this resetter file, you can just extract the file. And then you can open the extracted folder and open the adjustment programs. If you need to input the serial, you can get from this keygen. Okay, in here I'm already generate the serial. If you don't have one, you can click this and type your hardware ID. Okay, let me waiting. Okay, in here, if you cannot open this, you may input or copy your hardware ID and type in the hardware ID here from this, and then you can click generate and you can copy the serial. And after that, you can click select here and choose the model name of your printer. Okay, for example, Workforce 2650 or 2660, and you can click OK after that. And choose particular adjustment mode button here and choose was ink pad counter and click OK. After that, you can tick on the main pad counter option and the flatten pad counter options. Then you can click check. After that, you can click initialize. If you encounter error, you can try to moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. After the resetting is completed, you can just click finish. Okay. Then you can turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson Workforce 2650 or Workforce 2660 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. If you have any questions, you can fill in the comments below, and thanks for watching.